Hello all. Today we have made good profit in our Algo. So Algo started around 9:45 in the morning. Immediately after starting, Algo has taken one trade and we have made 5,000 rupees something profit. And after that, Algo has exited with around 14,000 rupees profit. The capital today we used is 45,000 rupees. Let me explain how the Algo works and what are the charges and how you can subscribe everything. So when we need to start the algo, we will update here true, and we have currently our algo supports for three brokers: Zerodha, Flatrate, and Kotak. Here, right now, I will select false for just for showing the example, and this algo completely works based on the Zerodha API. Completely we use Zerodha API for checking the trend everything, but we can place orders into any of the broker account. Here I mentioned Zerodha, Flatrate or Kotak Mahindra. So this is some settings for Flatrate where we need to update expiry day. Since Flatrate works in a different way, we need to update the expiry day and month every day whenever we take trades. So here is the algo settings. Stop loss is 8,000 rupees and target is again 8,000 rupees. Right now I'm using stop loss and target same. Today I have run the algo for 14,000 rupees target with the 8,000 stop loss. It worked well and we can see the results as well. 40,000 rupees आ गया. And this is the requirement for algo. What I have seen from last few days, I'm using capital 45,000 only. I have capital in the account, but I use only 45,000. Sometimes if I have 65 also, I'm using only 45,000 to minimize my risk. And drawdown I have seen till algo can make go till 10,000 rupees loss sometimes. And I am charging for users whoever using it 30% on profit or 2,000 rupees per month. Uh, Let me explain how this algo works. This is a scalper. As I explained, 3,000 rupees per month or 30% profit sharing. It works based on super trend and RSI scalping. Here I am using super trend 2, dual super trend and RSI. Based on that only we are running this algo, and it is having many different uh, settings in the backend. Based on that we are making good profit. Here we can see this is running for Nifty currently. This is in paper trade mode right now, running for Zerodha broker in paper trade mode, and it has taken multiple trades. In that one trade went up to 18,000 rupees, but exited with a PNL of 9,600 by using capital 45,000 only. This is really good actually, and this is for testing purpose. Again, I am running for Sensex. This is also in paper trade mode only. Morning, we have run the algo for live. Now everything is in paper trade mode. Here 3,500 profit में चल रहा है आज. So here you can see we will take one quantity first. This quantity will not be placed in broker account. Only when trade is moving in our good conditions, then only we will enter with 30 lots, 20 lots or 10 lots, something like that. इसलिए that's the reason we are seeing one quantity here. But when we are seeing 30 quantity, we can see the profit the algo taken. Same in this algo also. Here we can see here algo is failed to make the profit, so it exited without taking more trades. Here first trade only it has taken 13 lots and made around 1,000 rupees profit, 1,040. Sensex pura very slow movement, so it is not making good profits actually. So just for testing I have started this algo. निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी आज एक्सपायरी इसलिए अच्छा चल रहा है एंड आई हैव टू मोर algos. One is for ORB and another one is open interest based. When it comes to ORB, 15 minutes breakout we will check. Based on the 15 minutes breakout, first 15 minutes we will take the entry. So today if we see, today there is no breakout movement in the today's, there is no breakout. So we will take 15 minutes candle. In that high and low we will take. If next candle breaks out on the lower side or higher side, we will stick to that stick to that stick to that side. Currently, let me explain this. And another one is open interest based. This one is we will be taking in the money option, and open interest whenever goes below moving average and RSI is also in good condition and volume is also greater than moving average and close close is greater than VWAP, that time we will take entry. This algo is also available. Currently we have very good algo which is working, that is making good profit. And let me show the profits from last 1 month. So this is the account which I am showing right now. This account. Let me take ledger. So started on 11th July till now we have made profit of 46,000 rupees. Total 46,000 rupees profit till now. Pretty well it is going. Started with 40,000 rupees capital. Let me show it. Yeah. So yeah, I added 40,000 rupees capital. First day we have made loss 300, 400, 350 rupees. Second day 2,000 rupees profit. Like that only it is keep on going. One day I have made loss of around 7,000 rupees. We can see here. This is a loss of 7,000. Other than that, 3,000 is 3,000 and 7,000 are the big losses. Today is the big profit we have made. Maximum profit is till now 14,000 rupees. Same algo I am running in another account. Started on July 29th. Till now here we have made only 11,000 rupees profit and it is going good. So this is the points. I am adding all my details in the description. If anyone want to contact, can connect with us.